Good morning, dear student. Today in class 6 geography, I had explained up to intensive farming. You can see the tick over here. Up to here, I had explained. Today, I will be taking up commercial farming or extensive farming. Okay. So, what is commercial farming or extensive farming? Commercial farming includes producing crops and farms animal in large scale. First thing is you can see that it is for large scale, that is in huge quantity production is done, because commercial business to make business to sell and buy in the market for the sole purpose of selling for a profit. The main purpose of doing commercial farming is to sell it in the market to earn money, to make a profit. So large scale production for selling and to earn money. Commercial farming can include both cash and food crop. Already cash and food crop I had explained. Cash crops are commercial crops. Example of cash crops are tea, coffee, sugarcane, etc. They are grown mainly to sell it in the market. And food crops are crops which are grown for eating purpose, like cereal crops like wheat, rice. Okay, these are food crops. So in commercial farming, both types of crop are grown, cash crop as well as food crop. Then commercial farms are often larger than regular family farms, and often outside help is uh, employed due to the level of work required. Okay, so in commercial farming, generally the farm land is very big in size. Okay, so that and since the land area, the farm is very big in size, so the owner of that farm, they need outside help, that is laborers, okay, from outside who can help in doing farming in that large area. Then commercial farms also tend to make use of new technologies in order to increase output and create competitive advantage where possible. So in commercial farming, new technology, that is the latest technology, new machines are used for growing crop, like tractors can be used for plowing the field, harvesters can be used for harvesting, and then there are now machines used for planting the saplings, or for sowing the seed also. Now machines are there. So in this way, this commercial farming are more competitive and it is more advantageous also. This type of farming is also known as extensive farming. So this type of farming is called extensive farming, in large area with the use of modern technology, grow both type of crop, cash crop as well as food crop. The main purpose is to have more, grow more production and to sell it in the market for making a profit. Crops such as wheat, barley, cooking oil, etc. are grown with small inputs of labor, fertilizers, and capital relative to the land area being farmed. Then extensive farming is practiced in areas like the Murray-Darling Basin. This is in Australia. This is the name of river. Two river over there, Murray and Darling Basin over there in Australia. This type of farming, extensive farming or commercial farming, is done. This type of farming also refers to sheep and cattle farming in areas with low agricultural productivity, where there is low, the farmland is not so productive, and the land is not so fertile. So over there the farmers can also keep cattle or sheep in order to increase the agricultural productivity over there. Then second type of farming is plantation farming. Plantation farming is also a type of extensive farming. It is another form of extensive farming. Just now we studied about commercial farming or extensive farming. So it is like that only. A plantation is a large piece of land or water where one type of crop is planted for widespread commercial sale and usually tended by resident farmer. Resident farmer means those farmers who reside in the plantation region, in the farming land. There only they live, and they look after the crop. They sow the seed, they grow the plant, they harvest it. So all this work is done by the resident farmers who live there. So the crops grown include cotton, coffee, tea, cocoa, sugarcane, oilseed, rubber trees, and various fruits. The thing is that all these crops are cash crop. You can see cotton, coffee, tea, cocoa, sugarcane. All these are examples of cash crop, and these crops are mainly grown to earn money. Okay, their main purpose is to sell it in the market to earn profit. So cotton is sold so that cotton textile industry can run and produce. Coffee is a beverage. Tea is also a beverage. Cocoa is is a seed which is used for making chocolates. Sugarcane for sugar industry. Oil seeds for oil industry. Okay, rubber trees. Rubber is used for various purpose. Okay, you must be knowing tires, tubes, all such things are made from rubber, and various fruits also. So these are examples of plantation farming. Okay, I hope you have understood. Based on purpose of farming, subsistence farming. Subsistence farming is that people grow to satisfy the family or the local needs with little leftover for transportation. Okay, and then intensive farming, it is done for commercial purpose. The main purpose is to make profit. Then commercial farming, extensive, this is intensive, less. Extensive means the farmland is very large, and so it is to cultivate in a large farm you need plenty of laborers, so you need outside help. Laborers come and work in this extensive farm, and here both type of crops are grown, cash crop as well as food crop. Then main purpose is to earn money to sell it in the market. One example of commercial farming done is the Murray Darling Basin in Australia. Then plantation farming, this is also another name of commercial farming or extensive farming. Only the thing is that in this type of farming is done by the resident farmers, that is those farmers who stay in the farmland itself. Okay, and the main crops that are grown are cotton, coffee, tea, cocoa, sugarcane. These are cash crop, mainly to sell it in the market. Okay, so this is about farming based on the purpose of farming. Then in my next video, I will discuss about agriculture in India. Okay, till then, you read the lesson and write the inside questions. Okay, that is what is commercial farming, what is plantation farming, okay, what are food crop, what are cash crop, what is subsistence farming. All these questions you write in your geography copy. Okay, till then, take care, don't go out of your home. Okay, bye.